What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Broken Bro Garage, and today we're going to be redoing this seat. It's really not in that bad of shape. I don't have new padding, but I do have padding that I could use to try to make up for this missing stuff. We're going to see what we can do. We should be able to make it look good. I have a new seat cover and everything from LMC. Everything I think I should need to do this project. So I'm actually going to onboard it and take it in the house, and I'll see you guys in there. We got it in the house. I already got this bolt out, this one out on the other side because we gotta separate the back from the front. So that's what I'm gonna do to this one. It's kind of a long bolt. This thing should come out pretty nice. I'll get these apart, and then I'll show you guys the these skins, or whatever you want to call them. If you want to look at that camera again, everything in the seat's really good still. All the wires, they're not even rusty. Should come out really nice. You think it's gonna come out nice? Like I said, this bolt's kind of long. Here it is. So now that these two are separated, we can start. I'll read the directions again, and I think we can start pulling them apart, but we gotta remember where the hog wings went. I don't know, this one's a little different because it's looking like that one, they want you to hog wing it all around here, but this one has where it flips in. So I know we could probably hog wing onto this, but I don't know about this part. How you get the hog wings to stick on there, but we're gonna try it. We should be able to make something happen. This thing's kind of hard to get off there, but yeah, we're just gonna pull this all apart and take all these out and try to mark the spots where they came out because they wanted us to put them back in similar spots. See that I got a rip right here, and we got the seat cover off. So I cut some padding out of that. I'm actually gonna put it under here like this, one piece. Like that. And then I'm gonna cut another piece to go over here and down through here again. And then I'm gonna put some spray glue on it so it all holds together. And I think that'll do as well. Might have to do 2 or 3 pieces, but it'll work. So we got that sprayed on. It should be fine like that. Shouldn't be really able to notice that, I'm hoping. But this is the this is for this seat part. I don't know what you call this, the backrest. This is gonna go towards Morgan behind the camera. So I'm gonna start laying it on and trying to stretch it out onto it. This might be the, I think this is the seat, Morgan. Because look how this is.
Yeah, but it doesn't have enough thickness like the other one does.
Right.
Doesn't it say front there?
No. I'll be right back. Let me figure this out. Now that we got the right cover for the right part, we're going to try to stretch it on a little bit. You stretch this end, and I'll start stretching this end. Start at the top corner, Morgan. Try to get it around this board. Would it be easy if I stood it up? Oh. That one's going on. That side going on, Morgan. Okay, so now we gotta see how to, we just gotta clip this in somehow, and then we gotta start stretching it down there, and hog wing tying it. That's what we'll get done, and I'll show you guys the finished product. I'll tell you guys how hard it was and what I did to do it, but it's pretty self-explanatory, so it's not that hard. Alright guys, so to explain a little bit, we kind of tried to do the seat, but it wound up not working. This all ripped down here because this wasn't like meant for this actual seat. Is that what kind of? It wasn't really meant for this type of seat, I guess. So I took it somewhere. They stitched it back up and made it work. It looks really nice. If you want to get a close up of that. First thing that's actually done on the truck, and I like it. I don't see any problems with it, really. Do you?
No, it's good.
I think it'll serve the purpose. Obviously, I'm gonna put a seat cover on it because my dog's gonna get in here and stuff. And then, if the truck's nice enough to go to car shows, have to repaint it and stuff, we'll end up taking the cover off just to show the seat off because I like the way it looks like this. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. All these boxes are for the trucks back here, so we are getting things done.